The overall goal of this procedure is to evaluate a new radioactive gallium-68 complex for molecular imaging.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of gallium-68 tracer chemistry, such as labeling conditions, tracer stability, and lipophilicity. The technique of radioactive labeling is straightforward and allows for fast determination of results while requiring only minimal amounts of material.
To begin this procedure, add 3 milliliters of 0.25 molar gadoxetic acid injectable solution to a flask. Then add 500 milligrams of oxalic acid to the stirring gadoxetic acid solution. After stirring for 1 hour, filter the suspension through a frit using reduced pressure. Wash the residue 3 times with 3 milliliters of water. Next, combine the aqueous filtrates in a beaker and place a pH electrode in the solution. Add 12 molar hydrochloric acid to the filtrate until the pH is about -0.1. After removing the solvent in vacuo, wash the residue thoroughly with hot ethyl acetate to remove the excess oxalic acid. Then dry the residue in vacuo. Once the residue is dry, redissolve it in 2 milliliters of deionized water and then cool the solution in an ice bath. Without removing the ice bath, add 0.